how is your life? How is your life?
Because as I know that if you are alive, you holding the thousands and dollars and now.
But I don't have that money. I'm
Sure.
so poor. I'm not
Why
that
did
rich,
you hold-
darling.
No, you're original. You are rich. Your husband telling me that your original is into him.
Uh-huh.
So into him. When you speak to him, said in him to him. Oh my darling, my husband, and to give back to my original. I want to live again to have life.
Oh.
Because your husband is holding your life. But next time, do not give me this because this is death.
Oh, okay, okay, wait. I give you more.
No, I return it because I don't want to die. I'm alive.
No. It's not for you to buy something to eat
No,
or
because
drink.
this is death.
What do you want?
No, I return it because I'm not dead.
please.
I have
Don't
life.
hurt. Because
What
it's a good help. I'll give you something.
No,
More money, more life.
more
money is more life.
No. Because you see me, it means that you are trafficking me once in a
No,
while.
it's not like that.
You know, Maximo is dead.
It's only a financial assistance for you, darling, to be able to sustain and survive.
Adora, I will change her to be not Adora
What?
because somebody are hunting her
Oh my God! Why hunting?
because she is very greater now. She accept the higher greater. The higher greater is getting angry with her.
Oh my God!
That's why I was
poor.
getting away for her.
So how is your life now?
My life, I can accept whatever my God, Father in heaven,
that's very
given to
good.
me. But all I can say is, money is not important.
Yes. What is important
The
is.
important is you have a good, wonderful record in heaven.
Oh my God.
That is the most important.
Good.
God bless you, Berta. We have to go now, and I
I'm
wish.
going to erase your case. I'm not going to demand you in the court. I'm going to erase that.
Thank you, darling.
Bye, Berta!
Erase the case. Hi, babe. Thank you,
Bye,
madam.
darling. You have a good life. Bye.
Akong Victoriana man to.
Ha?
Hindi niya Victoriana.
Trending kaya ka sa YouTube.
Kalang istorya ha. That was
Oh.
the past.
Oo.
People were living just. They're all
Yes.
the past.
Oo.
Kagahapon ko man ang kinabuhian.
Mhm.
Basta magis ko itong trending. Magis ko itong kalang kung giingon na kalang na nagtanggung-tanggung.
Oo.
That, akong gisubay kagahapon. Kinabuhi ni Mayor Antipolo Rizal Danding Tolino.
Oo.
Danding Tolino was a former mayor who was committed sin by God's. Then he was punished by God. Then he tried to make a world which is past sentence and life.
Mo ba?
So ako yung nakabugya siya gobyerno. Ako yung nagbugya siya gobyerno.
Basta man ka tinuod nga kung di ka kanang usa di ka ka teacher sa unang panahon. Tinuod na siya.
Yeah, sa imong papa o ako.
Mo ba?
901,
Sa may buwan mo gihandulan nimo nga subject.
kalapit.
Ito na siyang kalaki.
Tapuan mo, snake. Kalapit.
Sa akong ibuan sa English teacher. Sa
Kalapit. That
Mo
means
ba?
composing by 157 course, which was I graduated. Nakauman ako.
Sumuday ka ng once nga mag-istorya
Ito
ka.
na bitang ka sa billion one niya. Ya kay nabuan man ka sa laong na tubig. Help! Lala, nakakalungog ba yan ako? Yeah, there's no other people there. So, after 3 days, pakanong dumang taong ay kagriya, nakatong tubiga, maupo na ito ako, na inyong itubig, sa buntilaw ni Sister Irene Tilaw. Mga pong naibata nito nga, kung itabang ninyo, dagwin na. Even you ask the child, talagaan lang kita. She will take you there and you will understand it. Hindi lang na mag-discut alam kayo, taas ng oras. Diba?
So, nadi kilakaw.
Yes, of course. Time is gold, time is business, and
Wow.
time is miracle.
Wow, very good.
Sila po.
Bye-bye. Thank you. God bless.